Welcome to Super Top. Today we're diving into two fantastic air fryers from Instant brands, the Instant Vortex Plus and the Instant Vortex Pro. Both offer a ton of features to help you create crispy, golden meals, but which one should you choose? Let's find out. And remember, the links to the best prices for both these products are in the description below. Similarities. Capacity. Both the Vortex Plus and Vortex Pro feature a generous 10-quart capacity, perfect for family-sized meals or meal prep. Whether it's air frying chicken wings or roasting veggies, you've got room to cook. Temperature range. Each model has an adjustable temperature range from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, making them versatile for various cooking methods like baking, broiling, and dehydrating. One-step even crisp technology. Both air fryers are equipped with this feature, ensuring crispy exteriors and tender interiors using 95% less oil than traditional frying. Rotisserie functionality. They both come with rotisserie capabilities for perfectly self-basted meats and evenly cooked meals. Accessories like the rotisserie basket, spit, and lift tool are included. Touchscreen display. A bright, easy-to-use touchscreen makes it simple to navigate through cooking programs and monitor your progress. Stainless steel design. The stainless steel accents on both models offer a sleek, modern look, making them a stylish addition to your kitchen. Safety features. Both models include overheat protection and auto-off, ensuring safe operation every time. Check out the links in the description to find the best deals on both these amazing air fryers. Differences. Cooking programs. The Instant Vortex Plus is a 7-in-1 appliance offering air frying, roasting, broiling, baking, reheating, dehydrating, and rotisserie. The Vortex Pro, on the other hand, steps it up with 9-in-1 functionality, adding toasting and proofing to its repertoire, making it a more versatile choice for baking enthusiasts. Customization options. The Vortex Pro has 8 customizable cooking programs compared to the 6 offered by the Vortex Plus. This means the Pro provides more preset options for specific foods like steak, roasted veggies, and more. Toast levels. The Vortex Pro includes 3 easy-to-select toasting levels for bread, bagels, and more, a feature missing in the Vortex Plus. Design and dimensions. Both air fryers share a similar sleek design, but the Vortex Pro is slightly wider at 13.78 inches compared to the Plus's 13.23 inches. If counter space is tight, this might be a factor to consider. Check out the links in the description to find the best deals on both these amazing air fryers. So, which one should you pick? If you're looking for a versatile air fryer with basic features for frying, roasting, and baking, the Instant Vortex Plus is a fantastic option. It offers all the essential functions you need in a stylish, compact design. However, if you want more customization, added baking features like proofing, and the ability to toast, the Instant Vortex Pro is worth the slight price difference. Both are excellent choices, and you really can't go wrong. Check out the links in the description to grab the best deals for your preferred model. That's it for today's comparison. Let us know in the comments which air fryer you'd choose, or if you have any questions about these products. Don't forget to like the video, comment, and activate the notification bell so you never miss another comparison. See you at the next Super Top.